the door.
What's the matter with the door?
I don't know why it's so slow. All the access doors were a little slow on the way down here. Boys upstairs must be running some big program on the main computer system.
3 more guests for your little fireside prayer meeting. A virus! But before we turn up the heat, I'm gonna give you all one last chance. Renounce him.
Let me tell you something, Mr. Parker. The God we serve is with us, and he is fully able to deliver us from this place. But even if he doesn't, rest assured, we will never serve Macaluso, nor worship his image, or take his mark. Ever.
Amen.
As you wish.
I'm glad the Lord has opened your eyes, son.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. You're forgiven. We all are. And if the end result is your soul, then what we've been through is a small price to pay. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found.
Let's see if they can sing and scream at the same time.
But now I see.
Cindy, get off of me! Look for the disc!
Was grace that taught my heart to feel, and grace.
Why are they still singing?
My fear.
Why aren't they burning?
Oh, it's a black O-N-E disc!
But Willie, I can't
Just
read!
pop this! Pop this! Pop any disc! Pop any disc!
They're not burning. It's him! He's protecting them! Turn it up more.
No!
And do this. He can't do this!
Where is it?
It's not here!
Where's it? It's gotta be! It's gotta be! It's
I don't know where it is! Where else would it be?
right there!
These souls are mine! They have to die!
Yes!
Just in.
Yes!
Wait a minute!
What?
Wait a minute!
What, Willie? What?
Turn it up more! Turn it up more!
And it's overloading, you'll burn down the whole building.
No!
Yes!
No! 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 This is impossible!
This is our day! Our time!
No!
What? What?
All the way!
No!
What? What? Tell me what? Tell me! Tell me!
It's over, Cindy.
What?